You're right, Bud. It's time. Go on, Bud. Lead them to the hidden world. You'll be safe there. Safer than you could ever be with me. It's okay. I love you too. And I want you to be free. Go. I'm not one of them. I was a coward. I was weak. I wouldn't kill a dragon.
You said wouldn't that time.
300 years, and I'm the first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon.
First to ride one, though.
You're not a Viking.
All right, Toothless, go. Get out of here. For once in your life, would you please just listen to me?
You're not my son.
I looked at him, and I saw myself.